In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this Lumen 5 to create your first video using AI to convert your channel description into a video, that is text to video. Alright, so if you don't have an account here in Lumen 5 before, you have to just click on sign up for free, and if you already have an account there, you just have to just log in. And then when you're logged in to your account, you're going to have something similar to this. You can see you can click on the plus icon over here. It is telling you that mobile browsers are not optimized for Lumen 5 for best results. Try Chrome or Firefox. They are trying to like tell you to use desktop, but that doesn't mean you can still change your Chrome browser here to a desktop view whenever you need to. So you click on new video over here. So it's still telling me this option. So what you want to do to just save yourself from this problem, just go over here, put it on desktop site so that it doesn't affect your work in any way, and that pop-up stops complaining. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to select a template. Okay, you can choose any template of your choice, but you want to make sure that your template they are using shows more of picture, so that because people love things changing and they don't want to read text. If they want to read text, they will actually be reading a blog post, but since they want to watch video, they want more of media content like images and videos. So you want to make sure that your videos is always more of images, and just make sure that it's always of much images than text. Okay, because the more every transition is changing, the more they will keep being attached to that video. Unlike if it's text, they can easily be distracted, but when every time images are changing, they want to stick to your video. So choose any template of your choice. Okay, so you can actually change it back later. So I'm just going to use this one over here, origin. So just select it, and when you select it, you can see a preview of it over here, as you can see it. So if you are not satisfied with the preview, you can go over and check another one out and check the preview. So you want to make sure that you have a strong internet when you are doing this, so that it doesn't affect the loading and the speed of everything you are doing. Alright, so I'm going to select this one. Just go ahead, then always ensure that it's by 16:9. Then click on use templates. Then you want to click on, you can start from scratch. We are not doing that. You want to click on transforming your text into video with AI script composer. If you want to start from scratch, that means you are already an expert and you know what you want to do. So but most times please just click on transform your text into video with AI text composer. Alright, so you want to click on this. Then this opens the editor dashboard for you. So you want to copy your script that you want to work on. So in this aspect, your description, so you want to copy from wherever it is and click here to paste it in. I have it copied already. Alright, so just like I said, you want to make sure that there's space between each of your anywhere that there is full stop, you want to press down and make it start from the next line, so as each sentence, each beginning of the sentence is like a new scene, so that way you can select the perfect picture to explain what that sentence is talking all about. So when you are done with this, you want to go below, and you can see you have two options here. You see this continue with AI or skip and use all content. When you click continue with AI, it's going to like try to summarize the script and even make it smaller. So you should only use this one when you have a long copy and you want to like extract a very short video from it. But if you don't want to, just click on skip and use all content, which is what we want here right now. So when you are sure that every part of your content really matters, you don't want to click on just continue with AI. You want to keep on skip and use all content. So it's going to use every sentence that you created. So like right here we have here that's created it for us, and you can see we have this three dot icon over here. So you can actually add a new script. Maybe for example you forgot something and you want to add it over it, you can just click here. So you can see you have a new blog that you can type. So whenever you don't want a blog anymore, you can just go over there and just delete that blog by still clicking the three dots at the side. Okay, so I delete blog. So that is how you can add a blog or delete a blog away. So alright, so when you are done with that, what you want to do is that you want to still scroll to the bottom and say continue to video. So the app is going to try to automatically generate the scenes for you and also find relevant images and video to support your scene. To support the text in your scene. So as you can see, it's automatically doing this right now. So remember we have 16 and it has done it. As you can see, this our 16. Let's check the preview and see if we like what it gave us. So you can see this, each of these images here are relevant to what we have. So one thing you want to do is that whenever you see, after it first generates the video for you, you want to click on save. Actually it's automatically saving, but when you see that it's not saved, you want to click on save. So in case if your data is out or anything, you don't have to start all over again. Now let's say for example you don't like a particular image in that video. So how do you change that video? How do you change that image or video from that? So the first thing you want to do is look at it now. Look at, let's say this is where you can search for images, anything that you want, images or video, and you can even upload your own image that you have. So now for example, let's say I want to change this one, that this woman is walking. Okay, let's play it and see what is actually there. Okay, I don't like it because it's like upside down. So that's the reason why I want to change it. So our channel is packed with educational video, expert advice. So I'm just going to write like, okay, I want to change this image. I'll just say tips to train German dog, since this is what my own channel is all about. So in your own case, you want to use the right keyword to find the right picture. Alright, so I'm just gonna click enter. So it's going to suggest me some recommendation. I like the one that this person is standing and is free. You want to use the ones that are free. Anyone that's diamond is paid for. You don't want to go there. You want to use the ones that are free. Alright, so now how do we bring this this video into this particular video? So we want to first of all zoom out. Okay, so you have a full screen, you can see everything. It's very important that you zoom out to see each of every screen. Professional, I think one of these okay, now in this case I'm going to first of all move this up so that it is like in parallel line with where the video I want to replace it for. So I'm just going to like select it, like drag and drop here. You can see the video has been changed to something better. Okay. Now as you can see that something is not like, there was a particular time that I did something and some scenes were automatically added to it. I don't even know where they came from. So you can actually delete any scene that you don't want from it just by scroll to this left side. Then I'm going to like delete. I'm looking for that particular scene in the tutorial. Videos cover a wide range of socialization habits such as more basic obedience. Okay, then we have a strong professional network can have a huge impact on career. So I don't know where this came from. I delete it here. So that's how to delete a particular scene in your video. So like, okay, we have this image. Looks like this image is twice. So I want to change this this video, the one that is showing here, to another one. Let me see what is actually showing. It's like a repetition of the one I used over here. So that's the reason I want to change it. I don't want this. I'm going to like okay, dog obedience training. Okay, so you must learn how to use keyword that matches the scene in your video. Okay, so I'll just write dog obedience. I click enter. Alright, so some videos came out. Okay, so just like remember the first time, whenever you see a particular image or video that you like, you want to make sure that that particular place that you want to is in parallel with it to make things easy for you. Alright, so zoom out. Remember, you zoom out to have your entire screen in display. I like this one that the man is like trying to hold the dog here, so just drag it and drop it into the scene. So that's the video. So you can, that way that you are searching for video, you can also see images the same way. So this way, when you are satisfied with everything, then you can now publish it. Okay, so but before you publish it, you want to do one thing. Now you can see that there's actually a music that is sounding. Okay, I don't like this music. Like, I don't like this music. This music is not like interesting to me. Alright, so what do you want to do? You want to click over on music. Okay, you can actually also add your own audio into the video. Okay, in another video I'm going to show you how to do that easily, but in this aspect, let's say this is a thriller. Okay, you want something like something rocky or something that that it, so you're going to click all around. Then look for something that that matches the scene, that matches the topic. This sounds something like it, unlike the other one. So you still want to check more and look for more. This sounds cool, but whatever, you just go to and select something that sounds similar to the thriller or what video is talking about. Okay, I choose this one. So how do you choose a particular sound? If you like it, just click on it. When you click on it, it's going to go up. Okay, it goes up here. Then that means that it is already selected as the default music. When you click on the music, it changes at the top. Okay, when you click on the music you like, it changes at the top. As you can see, Red Fox, it changes at the top. When I click Arts One, it changes at the top. When I click California Sun, just look at top. As you can see, so where is that Red Fox? I want to put it back in Red Fox. Just watch this top here. Red Fox. So it's back at Red Fox. Let me see. Let's play this again with it. Always click on save sometimes when you see the save option. Alright, so let's preview and see what we have here. If you're not satisfied with the music, you have to just keep on editing until you find the background music that you want. But in some cases, you might want to voice over or even use text to speech. Alright, so I'm going to be like, okay, I'm done with this video. Let's say you are done with this video, you are satisfied. How do you get this video out? So to get this video out, you are going to click on the publish option over here. As you can see, it's already publishing. So it's going to take to the next page where it is going to show you that it is trying to download it. So by following these few steps, you can create any video, you can convert any text to speech into any video, and also add a background music from the library, or even though you can even import your own background music. And in the next video, you are going to learn how to upload your own personal audio. So the video is right here trying to render, so you are going to wait for it, and it will also send you an email in your video when it is ready, and you have the option to download it by clicking the link in your video or by coming here back, and you can see that the video icon is loading. That means that in the next few minutes it's going to be available for download. So it's showing you the total amount of minutes, seconds, or time in this video. Like we have like 41 seconds over here, so it says it's going to take about 3 minutes to render it, and you can either wait or go ahead and do something else, then come back to it, or check your video or go back to your dashboard. Then you can download it for your to upload it to your YouTube channel. Like this is done, so you can click on it and download the video. All right, so that is how it automatically downloads the video for you into your device. So that is how to create video using InVideo by converting text to video. So in this case, we have used your channel description to create your first video. All right, so see you in the next video.